Hello guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depends on where you are watching me from. Happy weekend to every one of you. So my name is Endurance, my YouTube channel, Endurance Godwin YouTube channel. So my today topic, my today video, what I want to talk about is about some of our Nigeria brothers, the things they are doing in Europe and mostly France. I want to talk about, especially for France, I want to talk about today. So because the things, say now so we got to look our country, where make our country call be say call turn upside down today, where be say everybody they try to make things dey right for our country, because when the things they happen we ignore them. So I talk about this thing in the sense of the kind of way where be say our people till they do things for this France, mostly for this Marseille, good. Because some of our brothers, imagine you come Europe, you after all your stress, you pass through stress before you go reach Europe. As you reach Europe, you're supposed to thank God for your life and concentrate for your future, concentrate for wetin go better your life, not be to the hurt each other. We imagine we will be Nigerians, we no get love for each other. You see that way they call love, no dey inside our life at all. I don't know why. Where we say we no fit dey show each other love, we only hold grudges against each other. Even though say person not do you anything, Nigerians they must see something to take hold grudges against you. So why they talk this thing at in the sense of the things where our brothers they do for Marseille. Imagine you come out for your country, come Europe, you say now something I pursue you come out for your country, because a lot of people get a lot of story to tell, say what you carry they come out for house. Imagine you do another person country, now you call they do things where be say you feel they do for your country where be say it not favor you. As you come out for your country, you're supposed to drop that things down, but you not drop and down, you carry the things follow body come this Europe where you dey. So you can begin to use oppression for your fellow Nigerians. Why they mostly they talk this in this particular place where they pay me, because of in the sense of what happened to one of our brother last month for France here, where they kill one of our brothers, and our Nigeria brother failed to even intervene for that person life, for the person who lost the life, for them to fight for give and justice. They forget about the justice, that they fight themselves, they kill themselves, where be say yes, here not be their country, on a day for another man land, where be say where be so na come say on a won't go find a daily bread, on a forget on a daily bread when I won't find, on a begin they cut on herself, they injure on herself, they damage on herself, not they show love to each other. If on see each other, be like on see on our worst enemy. So now that one I be waiting, I want to talk today. I don't know waiting some of us will be Nigeria. If they do all these things, whether it they make us they happy, I don't know. Because all these things what I talk about, so it's not good to hear for ear. Imagine you come out for house, person go come out for a country, he leave his parents for house, he come Europe complete body, but last maybe last if the family won't come see him, they will come see him with a half body. It not make sense. You supposed to show love to each other. Depends on all the things whether they happen for our country. Don't reach the time where be say yes, we will be say see day Europe, we supposed to also they encourage ourselves, so that we go they encourage ourselves more. They know our step where be say we they take, not be say we dey for Europe, not be our country, for we to do the right thing. We see come out that the same thing where we they do where no good for us, we carry and follow body body come this Europe, come begin dey continue to dey do am, where dey cause damage to our life. All this thing wey I dey talk about na be some of our brothers, the kind way wey be say they comot for Nigeria, they will call dey slice their fellow person or dey intimidate their fellow Nigeria. They use oppression. Imagine some people dey now, fear no dey let them dey talk. It the sense say make them not come for them. It's not fair, because everybody for this life is supposed to get value for his life. For you to dey intimidate your fellow person and you feel that you dey happy say you dey intimidate am, or you dey cause am pain and you dey happy say yes, you dey happy in the sense say e no get anything wey go fit do you. If you know say you be that kind of person and you dey watch my video, please try to change. Just try and make a good name for yourself, because some of us now, if you dey waka, go dey waka for fear. We go full of fear. We no fit dey talk in the sense say yes, we dey fear say make dem no come for, make people no come for you, or if you dey waka make person no come cut you, or if you dey waka make person no come stab you, just you no know where they come from. It no make sense. Imagine they will kill one of us. They kill one of us now. Nobody come outside make it talk to fight for justice for that person where they kill innocent person where he lost his life. You see say as for me, I no go dey happy when be say after all my stress before I come reach this Europe, person